Hi everyone, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I have a helper here today.
Kelsey.
And we are going to make this really nice card set. These came together pretty quickly, and I made them in particular to feature one of our new designer paper packs. I was looking through my new supplies. I'm still waiting on my big order to come, but I was looking through my new supplies of pre-order supplies, and I thought, well, what haven't I really shown much of yet? And this paper pack jumped out to me. I love this paper pack. So it is called In Good Taste, and it includes all of these natural prints with kind of neutral colors. So we have a lot of wood grains, lots of tile prints, some like textile looking ones. This kind of looks like, I'm not sure, paint, like thick paint, oil paint or something. I'm not sure what to call that. Drywall, stucco, I don't know. And then some like this that are, I don't know, does that look like a painting or a canvas or some old flooring? I don't know. What does it look like?
Kitchen floor?
The kitchen floor. There you go. I wish I
this
liked it.
one looks like our kitchen floor.
Yeah, it does.
Well, it looks like our one in the bathroom in Ohio.
Okay. So geez, you got me all thrown off here. So on these prints, it comes with a whole bunch of different patterns. This is not all of them, but I picked these to kind of highlight an assortment of what comes in the pack. It's a large pack. You get more sheets in it than our regular packs, and they're less expensive per sheet, so it's a really good deal. And to give you an idea of what's on both sides, for each one of these cards, the large print is one side of a piece of designer paper. This smaller piece is the opposite side of that same piece of paper. So this print has this wood grain on the back. This wood grain has this like textile on the back, and so on. So I have one more here that we are going to make using this. I did all of the greetings with the lovely U stamp set, and I really like these. I really like the font in this set. I think it's really pretty. So showed some of the different greetings: smile, heartfelt, trust me, you're lovely, wildly grateful, just because. And we are going to make one more that has a different designer paper and also a different greeting on it. So I have a basic gray card base. I have a piece of white cardstock that measures 4 inches by 5.5, piece of designer paper that measures 3 3/4 by 5.5, another piece of the designer paper that measures 2 by 4. Here you can see that print on the side, and if we flip them both over, we have that wood grain. So we're going to use it like this, and this I punched using our Label Me Fancy punch. This piece measures 3/4 inch by 3.5, and we are going to use my favorite new punch to punch that. I'll talk about it in a minute. So, Kelsey, would you like to start adding some adhesive on the back of these? Will you do the white one first? So while she's doing that, I am going to stamp using some black ink, and on this one I'm going to do the Just Because sentiment. I'll show you, I don't know if this looks funny where it's cut here. A couple of my stamps from this set had a little extra lip out here on the edge that when I would stamp, it was having a tendency to put that ink on down. So I just trimmed it off and got rid of it so it doesn't have the option to do that anymore. So there's a little trick. Oh, and I still did it. I still inked it too hard. That's why paper has 2 sides. I'm going to try this again and not press very hard. There we go. Okay, so I have to show you this punch. This is called the Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch. And it has 6 different options here. You can do pieces that are 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, or 1 inch wide. Mine is just under 3/4 inch, so I'm going to slide it in there. You can also do these 2 different ends. So you can do one with this, you can do one a little bit bigger with this, and then mat them. And it's just a really neat punch. I'm going to do this end, I think. So I'll punch each end in this. I know for a fact you are going to be seeing this punch a lot in my videos and on my cards. So we'll get this white cardstock put on here.
So,
Yep. Next we will put that tile print on. Okay, get the adhesive on the tile side this time, girly. So we'll put this in the center. I thought about making up just one card, and I thought, well, one card isn't going to show you much about that designer paper, and I really do love that set, so I wanted to make up this set of cards to really highlight all the different patterns in the set. We put one at each end on there. So put a couple of dimensionals on the back of the Label Me Fancy punch. Get my embellishments ready. After I got done with these, I added on a couple of pearls. So we'll stick this. We put dimensionals on each end. We'll lay that right over top. Just so the ends are popped up, but it's not any higher than the label punch in the center. Now we'll add a few of our metallic pearls.
they are tiny.
Sort of like the ones that I added like this. So we'll add some more like this. And I'll bring all the cards back in here just a second. You can see I put the pearls on in a lot of different patterns on these cards. Alright, so I'll show you the stamp set again, and we'll lay these cards out so you can see what they all looked like together. So just a really pretty paper pack that could be used. They're so neutral, they could be used on all sorts of projects, and they'll coordinate with lots of other products and other papers and embellishments. So hope you enjoyed this video today. I'll tell you the name of that again, the In Good Taste Designer Paper Pack. Thanks for joining in. I hope to see you next time.